Hello, everyone. This is Angle Relationship, section 1.5 in our geometry books. We're going to talk about adjacent angles. The key term here is they share a ray. Very good. They share a side. So I think that's very good that we all remember that. We have an example of it coming up. It's right down here. See how angle 1 and angle 2 share this ray? So angle 1 and angle 2 happen to be adjacent. A linear pair. They're also a linear pair. So the definition of linear pair is two angles that equal 180. Thank you. So vertical angles. By the way, I need to tell you about vertical angles. It's my favorite rule. Vertical angles are congruent. It's my favorite rule of all of math. Even Algebra 2. Sorry, Algebra 2 lovers. But this is my favorite rule of all time. Vertical angles are congruent. So just from knowing one angle. So if I blacked out, quiet on the set. If I blacked out angle 1, 3, and 4, and I just gave you 63, from that one angle, you can now determine angle 3 is 63. Vertical angles are congruent. Quiet. Angle 1 is a straight line using the linear pair rule. That's 117. Angle 4 is 117, but it's also x plus 16. So we go off to the side, we do a little beep, bop, boop, 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 do a little math, and x equals 111. Complementary angles is the next big term. Complementary angles are two angles that equal 90. Supplementary angles are any two angles that equal 180. Thank you. A little slow on that one, but 180. And perpendicular just means any right angles that get formed, and that also happens to be 90 degrees. We have word problems coming up on complementary angles. If you're tuning in, I hope you are. And we'll be doing more examples as the days come by. But for those of you who missed the lesson today, we have some really good examples here. You can pause, take some really good examples here. And then we have this guy right here. This is a tough one, but your homework tonight is all from the book. So make sure you get that online.